Guys, welcome back to Honest Straightforward Reviews. Today, I want you guys to rest assured that I have not jumped Apple's ship yet, okay, by seeing the Samsung logo here. Today, I've just got a unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy Buds Pro. Without further ado, let's get this unboxing started. So in the box, I just have the box in the paper bag. Alright, and so straight off, there's not much to see here. It's pretty nimble, pretty small. Okay, there you go. At the back, nothing on the side, just a hook on here. Pretty straightforward box, nothing special. Let's see how you guys open this. Okay, doesn't look like it opens from there, so I'm going to try it from this side. That requires quite a bit of an effort. Okay. Oh, Samsung. This kind of stuff makes you feel like Apple does such a good job at unboxing stuff and packaging and things like that. Such an experience. There you go. Alright, so I finally pried it open. Okay, I was trying not to get these things stuck. Okay, so that's what's inside the box. Nothing too flash. Okay, this looks like something here. Let's have a look at that. Okay, just looks like box paperwork and stuff. What do you get? So you get the warranty card. Alright, so warranty paperwork is there. Alright, then you get this quick start thing in a few languages, hopefully in English. Yes, being sold in Australia, that's the last thing you'd expect not to have. Okay, so that's pretty basic stuff. Alright, let's put this aside for now and look inside the box. So that's basically it. You get nothing else. These aren't cheap in Australia, they're like 350 bucks. Okay, let's open this up. Okay, so you've got a USB-C to USB charger. Okay, and that's basically it. Now let's look at the Galaxy Buds Pro itself. Okay, just clips right out. Okay, so very much Apple kind of thing where you open it up and it's good to go to pair, things like that. Wow, these things are tiny, guys. Look at that. They're really tiny. It's quite impressive, especially given the AirPods Pro and the AirPods stick out quite a bit. So rubber bits. Interesting to note, guys, that's it. So you don't get another pair of these that are smaller or larger than the normal ones. You just get left and right, and that's basically it. Nothing other than that. All right, that's basically it, guys. Okay, if you guys like this unboxing, I have heaps more on the channel. Please do make sure you subscribe and give it a thumbs up so other people can find my videos as well. Subscription helps me, and also subscription would let you know when I have uploaded the review of this product in about 2 weeks time. That's what I do. I generally use it for about a good 2 to 3 weeks before I do a review, and if I feel like, sometimes I've taken a month as well for headphones just to get a really honest opinion about them. I've also got Instagram, Twitter and TikTok and Patreon, so if you guys can follow me there and help out, that'll help the channel a lot, because I'm completely self-funded. Everything is funded by me. All right, guys, thanks for sticking to the end. You guys have a great day. Bye-bye.